So we got a whole chicken, and here's our little cooker. We got 1 can of Bud Light. Hopefully that's the right beer. I'm gonna put that on there, and we're gonna put it in the grill. See how it cooks. We get the bird all dressed. We got the beer set up, and we've got our herbs cooking. We're gonna let that butter just melt, and then we're gonna mix it all together, and then we'll baste it on that chicken. I'm gonna get all that bird covered. Got some rosemary in there. Got some honey, a little maple syrup, some mustard, a lot of butter. We got her up right, boys. That is getting, what a fucking mess. She's coming along now, guys. Get around the back. Oh yeah, those wings are gonna be good. Got the potatoes on. Oh man, that bird's coming out good. Got the vegetables all loaded up. Garlic, we got rosemary, pepper, salt, zucchinis, onion, and a squash. That chicken's getting done. We're just gonna let it all sit, and then we'll flip the vegetables. Oh, I'm getting hungry now. Getting about cooked. That chicken's about done. You can see the beer coming up the top. We're gonna let that settle out. Beautiful. Potatoes come out great. Look at them. Onions. Oh, she's done. We're right up the temp. Looks good. All around. Just a good looking bird. Oh, yeah. Just perfect. Come out perfect. Beautiful. All that time. Here we go. I'll give you guys a little look. Come out perfect. Potatoes. Just awesome. Sun come out too. That zucchini. Wow. Perfect. If you guys can drop a like, follow, and share, I appreciate it.